It's streaming time. Streaming. We are streaming. Some streaming stuff. Gotta work on a level for the Plum games. Plum games on top. I think we should have like starting platforms for the level. Change to yeah, that works. Okay, then we'll just. It's the first stream you've watched since Flippy. Well, welcome. It's not a very well planned out stream. I wasn't actually planning on streaming at all tonight, and I just randomly was like, you know what? Let's stream. So, welcome in. I think it's gonna be 4, and then we're gonna do an array of 2 on the Y. See on the yeah, there we go. Alright, that works. Then we will have a cube. We're gonna do. Currently working on an update for that old game I made you play with the space guy and jetpack. Awesome. Send it over when you're done with that. I will check it out. Oops. Is it 10? I have no experience at all with like designing levels. So this is going to be indeed fun. You're looking at don't step on the wrong tile minigame. Nope. It's just where you're gonna be starting at. It's gonna be. I think we might do that. But this right now, it's just gonna be an obstacle course for this first one. We're gonna do like a Fall Guys style obstacle course. I think. So just kind of blocking it out. Hmm. Let's do a cylinder. Then we'll do. Yeah, it's kind of based off of Mystery Squid Game and like Crab Game and all that. Music is loud. And kind of based on like Crab Game and all that. Yeah, that was a joke from a different stream. That was a joke from wasn't a stream, it was a group call. I randomly said Cheez-Its instead of goldfish by accident. But yeah, we technically can't use that in the game itself, so probably not. I want to make these materials. This looks so bland. I gotta find some textures. Let's do. Chizos, exactly. Chezos. I think I'm actually gonna do. Try to figure what the first one should be. Maybe it should be like. I think it should be one of those where it's like. If you. I'll show. So if I do. Say the thing. It's Gwizzing time. Or hello everyone. In this tutorial. Is that the thing you were referring to? Why haven't I finished GTA 7? I know. I really need to get on that. I've been slacking. Like crazy. That green looks pretty good. Size 2. What is Minecraft 3 coming out? 2078. We'll do that. 2078. That's the forbidden green. What's the forbidden green? What do you mean? What am I doing wrong? So that's a bit darker than my favorite color. Awesome. It's a little weird here. Fun Californian fact. What if these are like sliding? I think I have an idea for what these are gonna be used for. These are gonna be like slided back and forth, so they're like sitting like this randomly. You have to like go around them. I think everyone here is just the exact same person. It's all just one entity. All the same person. Oh yeah, this would be good. If I do it like this, where... if I do that... Yeah, that works. I think we're gonna put like the Plum Games logo on it whenever we get it, but right now I'm just gonna get a picture of a plum and use that. Plum PNG. I should just like go to the store and buy a plum and just take a picture of it, and like that's the entire game's logo. That'd be great. Also, Tim Tomato, why are you so salty for the discorrection? Are you so salty about that? I don't know what that's about. What is that about? Oh, this works perfectly. This works perfectly. Hell yeah. Hold on. I gotta add this to the end. I'm just gonna edit right here. So, assets, art. I think I'll just add the textures. Then downloads. It is actually, yeah, yeah. They just added that. I think very recently. You can use FSR in Godot. Image texture, I think, right? If you want to do image. Actually, yeah. How do you add it? How do you add a texture? Yeah, I don't even do that. I will honestly just do a plain where that's gonna be the texture for now. It's a Discord message, a meme saying the first person to react to it will get a secret funny meme. Timmy Tomato Boy fell for it. Set the picture of it on Discord a while back. Amazing. How how dare you fall for that, Timmy? Image texture, open textures, plum. The alpha is going to be specular roughness. Yeah, I'll keep it like that for now. We'll do this like level 1. I don't know. Okay, let's do in materials changes to alpha cup. Awesome. Yeah, that works for now. Maybe not. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. Just showing, what is this? Working on the Plum games. It's my game that I'm currently working on. I'm currently working on it with Cubo as well, but I'm doing some level design right now. Yes, the Plummies. Yeah, so I think these are gonna be moving like back and forth like randomly, like on like a slider thing. It'd be pretty cool. What if I go ahead and do like put them on like an actual like track? That'd look pretty good. Um, then if I did that, assign a new material, make it black, and then yeah, that works pretty well. Okay, I think that, yeah, that's cool. Okay, that's a good start. Do you get the free monies? We might add guns. We might add guns. Potentially. I think we'll add a banana gun. That might happen. Well, that's some like funny gun or whatever. To like one of the game modes. Okay, I think on this platform we're gonna have like one of those like spinny thingies. You know, that like spin and stuff. Oh yeah, yeah, that's right. Yeah, the plum gun. Yeah, yeah, we'll do that. Okay. Let me add that to the Trello. All right, there we go. Yep. Okay, that works. Added. Okay. Now let's go ahead and finish up this part where we're gonna do. Hold on. There. You happy? Okay. Back to this now. I think we're gonna do size 0.5, size 10, size 0.5. I have a text message. Use Google as fix. What happened with Google? What was that about? I think I completely missed out. What are you talking about? What happened with Google? Enlighten me. Due to budget cuts, the plum is now just a circle. Sadly, it is. Okay, this is gonna be, I think it's gonna be like green, and we'll do like a red color for these. Like a lighter, like red color. Awesome. I'm glad to hear it. I'm glad to hear I can make the world a better place sometimes. It's coming together pretty well, actually. Zoom out? Yeah. Um, Side angle of what? Of like this? Yeah, I know, that's a weird issue. I'll fix it in a second. It's just temporary. I'm gonna make this a circle, I think. Maybe not keep it that way. See, it's gonna be sliding, this is gonna be spinning. Like that, that's exactly how it's gonna be spinning. Okay. Mm, Banned. You are banned. You are banned from my everything. You're banned from YouTube. You're banned from Discord. You're gone. You're done. You are done. Fired. Oh, just because it was just. I'm just joking around. Um. Okay. So like breakable walls and Fall Guys really neat catch up mechanic in house courses because of the further. Yeah, true, true. Yeah, that's a good point. The plum car, yeah. I gotta find a skybox as well. You know, also, I think there should be one where it's like a tight rope, and there's like stuff being thrown at you via like cannons. That's one we should do as well. Like right here. Somewhat. I mean, there's gonna be other mini games. This is one of the mini games is gonna be like Fall Guys, but there's gonna be other mini games more like Crab Game. But yeah, kind of. Not fully though. My immediate terrible idea for Skybox is the interior of a Toyota Corolla. At least for right now, yeah, maybe. Hold on. Interior. 360 interior of a Toyota Corolla. They're all like stock images though. That's the only one I could find is like a stock image. If you can find one and send it to me on Discord, I'll use it. For at least for right now. I don't know how I'm supposed to handle it at the top of my head. Okay, no, this image works. Save image as. Oh, it's a WebP. Hopefully that works. Let's see this one. Go back. Okay, let's create a new world. So where are our scenes? Data, assets, scenes, rooms, worlds. Create new world. Let's do obstacle course. Let's call it that. All right, then I'll do world environment. We'll add in a new environment, resources, art, textures, open and file manager. Background, sky. Wait, you can't. Guys, I found the mascot of the plum guys. There's just a misplaced L. We'll do this for now. We'll do this for now. We'll definitely do this for now. But this is pretty great. This is a great idea. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, this is amazing. Wow. This is an amazing idea. I don't know if we're gonna keep it, but this is definitely something. This is great. Wow. Just putting everyone inside of a car. All right. Yes, sir. That's exactly what we're doing. Yep. All right. Art, models, objects. Let's create a new folder just for obstacle course. I swear, back in like 2008 or whatever, my sister dropped a phone below one of the seats, and we never found it. We like actually took one of the seats out to attempt to find the phone, and we never found it. It was insane. It wasn't a curl, it was in an Avalon, but still, like it was insane how hard it was to find that phone, and we never did. We never found that phone. There, yeah, yeah. We'll probably make some sort of setting that will allow you to do this at some point. Definitely, this will definitely like be this will be a thing in the game. There's no chance that this won't be a thing in the game. I might even put the Gwizz logo on some stuff too. That'd be pretty funny. I know, right? Okay. I gotta start exporting this. I think I'm gonna like one at a time export these. So let's do this like starting platform first. For your multiplayer tutorial, you use two instances in Godot to test it out. Yes, but when I use to test computers multiplayer doesn't work. Yeah, you need to port forward and also use a different IP, which I did a tutorial on that as well. So watch that, and you should be good. Um, yep. Okay. Okay. Let's just bump these up like a little bit. Let's do like boom boom. That looks pretty good. Well, I should also do some like railings and stuff. Like I should do if I copy this. 5.5. Those tutorials are really helpful. Thank you. Appreciate it. Uh, let's do that. Okay. Bridge Plum Games experience. Okay. Okay. That works. And these all are gonna. We're gonna get these a different color, so we're gonna. This one's gonna detach. These are all gonna get the same material. Wait, no. One, two, three, four. Oh, there we go. Okay. Let's do. Yeah, that works. Yeah, cool. Yelps it warm. Oh, I read that as worm at first, and I was like very much concerned. But okay. It's going along pretty good. All right, let's just export this first. So we'll do save it, everything, and then we'll delete that file. Export obj. And I'm actually just gonna export this straight to art models obstacle course. Export that straight to there, and we'll call this start platform. What's up, Lucas? How you doing tonight? Then we'll delete all these. Okay. Then delete those. Export obj. Let's call these sliders holder, and then just call it a slider. And then back at Godot now. Drop in the platform, along with adding a directional light. Oh my god, it looks so weird when you go into orthographic mode. Okay, and then we're gonna add this produces shadows, right? You do that. I think we're gonna do shadows for this one. And then the platform environment, we're gonna do background gets the sky. Color will be, I think, white, maybe? No? Okay. You should have plum effects on the bottom of every level, like snap effects. That's a really good idea. Yeah, if someone here wants to compile a list of those, I will definitely add them. But we should do that here. Let me like add to the Trello. List of plum effects. Is anyone here watching? Is anyone here good at making thumbnails for videos? If so, hit me up. I'm willing to pay. So let me know, as long as your work is decent. Awesome. I will definitely use that. Plums are just great, you know. They're awesome. Okay. Yeah, glow works. Okay. Sky itself, I think plums are closely related to peaches. Yeah. Okay. Show me. I mean, if you can, I'm looking for like more like professional style. I think more like closer to like Danny and stuff like that. So you could do that. Let me know. The energy from the sun isn't that great, so I think I'm gonna. I think I'm actually gonna drop that. I think I'm just gonna do background. Oh, prunes. Okay. So I don't think they're called plums, but okay. Okay, I need to flip everything around because I need to make sure that everything's facing the front of the Corolla. What happens if you dry a prune? Double dry. I mean, that's the same thing to grapes, I think, you know? Light, energy, 3. Oh, that's much better. That's way better. Oh, yeah. Rotate as well. Poems are celebrate Chinese mythology and were prominent in the writings of Confucius. Awesome. Um, Static body. We'll just call this platform. And in a collision shape. Do this. We're gonna do that. Okay. Let's just do this. This is the floor. This will be a wall. Okay. Plums are into white flowers. I don't know if I believe you on that one. Plum fact. Ha 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 ha. So funny. Okay. Let's do use of the walls. So the first devil look for this should, if everything goes well, should come out next week. Along with we're gonna get the Steam page started soon as well. So that's something to look out for. We'll have wish lists open in a couple weeks. Oh, let's do it like that. Yeah, that works. Okay. Okay, copy. If you stick if you stick it to a tree branch and trick the plum into thinking it's still on the tree. That one I can believe. That one I can probably believe. Yeah. Okay, let's get a player in here. See how he looks. Looks pretty good. Exactly. All of them are inside the toilet roll. Okay, this looks pretty good. Pretty good like scaling, I think. Okay. Player models. I'll do. This is gonna get zeroed out. So quite like how that works. Let's do 4.5. Six. Negative 5.75. Yeah, that works. Okay, cool. Check that out. Do that like down here. Okay, slider. Amazing. Oh, it's flipped. Okay, got it. All right, I think I might just remove that and just do like a decal in the game. I think that's what we might do. Looks pretty good for now. Poachers can reach up to 16 to 20 feet tall. 5 to 6 meters for you non-Americans. Americans. That's like the best way I've ever heard to pronounce that. Americans. You darn Americans. Always raising your taxes and buying stuff. I don't know. Can't stand taxis, man. Taxes, no, those are fine. Just taxis, you know. They think they rule the world with their demanding of the tips and all that, you know. Those darn taxis. Let's go to about 40 to 60 hamburgers for extra Americans. No, see, it's equivalent to was it okay? So that is equivalent to 1/5 football field for all those extra Americans. Actually, well, no, it'd be 20 feet tall, so it would be it's like 20 out of 300, so 20 divided by 300. God, I can't type. It's that percentage of a so it's like I think it's like was it point is it 6%? 6%? Yeah, I think it's 6% of a football field. Yeah, yeah, about that. Yeah, of a football field. Yeah. Decal. All right, textures. How many bananas is that? At least 12. Yeah. So let's say a banana. I'd say like 20. I'd say like 20 bananas. It does. I also have a tutorial on that. Static body sliders. So it's got sliders. So the whole thing. Nah, size holder. All right, now let's create. I'm gonna do a character body honestly for this one. Do a character body. This will be a collision shape. How many Cheezos long is 6.67 of a football field? 144. Because Cheez-Its are, I mean, yeah, they're like 1 inch long, so 144. Wait, actually, no. Yeah. 2.5, at least, yeah. I'd say about, oh, 7. Oh, shoot, the sliders holder collision is like not set up properly. Yoop. Yoop. Good enough. Perspective. Cool. Let's give you an animation player. Actually, no, I think I'm gonna create one whole animation player. Okay, let's do a function called start game. And then this will access all of the animations and stuff. Because this will be called by the syncer function that we have created. Okay, let's create a new animation. Player, yep. New animation. Slider, add new property track to slider. Position. And then let's go make sure that all of these are the all these are offset too. I gotta fix that. Sliders in the middle. Okay, so I gotta move this in the middle. There we go. Okay, delete that. Okay, that works. And then we'll do insert key. Actually, no. Then we're gonna. Wait, why is that way over there? Oh my god. Not cool. Is that. Okay, whatever. Okay, I think we finally got now to where we can do that. Okay, awesome. I think the middle one might be faster, actually. I think we might do that. It would be funny. Okay, insert key. Insert key. We loop that. It's a little fast. We might slow that down. Oops. I think it was speed. Gwizz, what's the name for your subscribers? Gwizzers, honestly. Gwizzers, I think. Because like you're a true Gwizzer if you become a member, all that stuff. I think it's what we're going with. Pause that. Let me increase this a little bit. The plum meters, yeah. I don't know. What do you guys want? Because I've been calling you guys the Gwizzers for a while, so I don't know. Okay. Yeah, that works. Okay. I think when it's gonna be like that. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Put that in the middle. I think I'm gonna get rid of this. Add new track. Slider to position. What if there's a way to like make it like this like local? Is there a way to make animation local in Godot? I wonder. So we make it local. Michael Jackson in Palm Games when? I don't know if we have the rights to that. That's the problem. Probably never, honestly, because I don't. We can't really get the rights to that. It's Michael Jackson. We could do that because that like parody is legal. Is Palm Games like a spin-off to Squid Games or is like into basically basically yeah. But it also is going to be pretty unique. We're going to do a couple of unique things with that. Exactly, exactly. Yeah, we are going to be somewhat unique with it. Exactly. Okay, I'm going to create a new script actually. I think we're going to do where, so if I do this, I'm going to make it all local. Let's do variable offset gets vector 3. Then function ready offset will get position. Okay. And then I think what we're gonna do is transform, and we'll do this 8, so it's 2. Okay. Then we'll do variable start uh pause 1 get 2. Variable pause get 2. Yeah, this will get negative 2. Okay. Steamboat Willie will be no, all of Steamboat Willie isn't trademarked. That's the thing. Is all of Steamboat Willie, it's just nothing outside of Steamboat Willie you can't use. Um so we will. Physics process. If position. Hmm. Dot X I think it is, or is it dot X? Yeah, it's dot X. Okay. Boat Willie now on Steam. I mean, there's probably a lot of stuff like that now. Yeah. Let's do if right, then position dot X will get lerp between position dot X and offset plus 2. No, no, minus 2. Delta. Offset dot X. That should work, and then of Godot theory, cue nostalgic music, but that's just a theory. I might do one on March 9th, because that's when he's leaving. I might do that. I might do like an homage to him. Juice, can you pause the stream? I need to listen to the game theory intro. It's stuck in my head. Can I just pause the stream? Probably not. No. I don't think I can. Position dot x. If that. So if. Sorry. And all right. That's fine. Okay. Let's do if position is less than this. I want to see what this looks like. Let's add an at tool to it just to see. Oh, scenes, assets, scenes. How long have you been working on this game? Left for quite a while. Since I think like the 26th. Yeah, like the 26th or so. Not super long. That's pretty great. That works really well. Okay. Um, let's do times 5. Delete 3. Let's see, your transform is gonna get. Where's reload scene at? Project. I don't want to reload a scene. Okay, there we go. Do that here. Do that. Okay. Yeah, yeah, we've been doing a lot. Getting this stuff ready to go. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna export this at export. The reason is I want you know, I'm just realizing right now I'm probably just gonna go ahead and get rid of the script entirely and just I'm just gonna redo I'm gonna do all that. Because it's not worth it. It's not worth all that code. Animation player, create let's do starting like here. Insert key. And duplicate that. And then over here we're just gonna do it like that. For the slider 2 or the slider 3, we're gonna do animation player. 11 animation, new slider. Okay. And we'll do this guy will be what's the offset of this? So transform, this is going to be an 18. Okay. So this would be, I think, like -18. Nope, that doesn't work. Right. Okay. Transform negative. Okay, that didn't work. Insert key. Where is it? Okay. Welcome back. But are you really back, or is that just a theory? A game theory. Loop that. Okay, we're looping that. We're gonna. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I think maybe this one should have one as well. Okay. Can I pause it or no? Okay. Actually, you know what I just realized? Why don't we just create an animation for everything? Wow, that would have been so much easier to do. Yeah, just create an animation for everything, and then it handles it all. Okay. All right, create new animation. Player. Create new sliders. Slider 1 position. Slider 2 position. And slider 3 position. Okay. Hey, Gwizz, or should I say Jesus? Jesus, Adam here. Sticking out your yacht for the Rizzler. You're so skibbity. You're so phantom tax. Oh yeah, you would even have multiple different patterns of movement and slot between them in such animation. We could do that, yeah. Maybe. Not looking that deep into it right now. I gotta move on from this mechanic very soon here, honestly. Let's insert a key there. For this guy. This guy we're gonna do like right here. And then slider 2, we're gonna do like insert key, then insert key. I think it could be interesting if at least some of this help. Yeah, that would be cool. Yeah, I think what I might do is I might actually have like the middle one just be faster. Oh, that's a little too. Yeah, that doesn't work super well. Hmm. Delete. Do this guy way over here. Insert key, and then yep. I forgive you as long as you don't say the forbidden sentence again. Okay. Um. Hmm. No, I don't think that works super well. Oh, you're so generous. I know. Wow. Thank you for your kindness, Californian. I'm deleting this again. I really gotta get past this. Okay, so insert the key there. So that goes back and forth now. Then we'll do the slider 2. Insert key. What if we do this one? We make it like a lot longer. What do the palms look like? They're made of metal from a distance. Uh, the material. Honestly, I gotta fix that. Okay, let's see. Slider 2 is gonna go all the way across there. All the way across there. Actually, no, it would be cool if it does it like this. So if I do like, and then they come back together. So we do back like this. So it'd be like, is it just me or bees fish? Bees are definitely fish. Yeah, exactly, right? Bees are fish. Obviously. Okay, I'm gonna change this here by deleting this. Just deleting this one that we're gonna do. This guy goes over here. Insert key. That looks pretty good. The bees are metal. Bees are metal, yes. Okay, there's this one spot where I don't like how they like touch like this. I don't like that. I gotta fix that. So let's do where it's right here. Let's delete this. Let's put this one like the middle. Hmm. Let's put it more over like this, I guess then. It's kinda closer. Yeah, that works. It's good enough, honestly. I gotta move on from this. Let's do that. And can I play this scene? It might give me an error. We'll see. Oh. Yeah, I don't possess it. Yeah, that's gonna cause an error. Okay. That's fine. Why is the mirror black? Why are you? I'm not reading that. I don't even know what that says fully. I'm not reading that. I can't read that out loud. I guess it's a problematic sentence. Okay. And now I gotta find out how to spawn everyone into this. So I think what the plan was to we're gonna go from this part of it to that next part. All right, have fun. She was a family-friendly, advertiser-friendly channel I sit through every ad. Awesome. Appreciate the revenue. Thank you. We do family-friendly stuff here sometimes. I think okay, so I think what I might do is in here, I'm going to add in a collision, not a collision. Let's just do like a mesh. I want to make everything in here still black. But I want to like transfer everything. So let's do like let's do like that. Like that. And this shouldn't take any so I think I'm gonna make sure the material doesn't take any light in itself. Okay. So the transform surface lighting, surface new shader. Yep. Shading unshaded. Completely unshaded. Albedo black. Cool. It should still look like a void. So let's do black box. And then duplicate. Just gonna kind of scale like this. Like 90. Yeah, there we go. Cool. Yeah. Yeah, that works. Okay. Delete. Duplicate that. Zoop. 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 Cool. I'm gonna make this guy quite longer, so the size of it will be all these will be yeah, that works. Okay, cool. This is amazing environment design. I know. I'm a professional. Take notes, everybody. Master is at work. Okay. Well, this is so I could potentially have like an like just use that same environment. So let's do sky, sky, um, panorama sky. The panorama that's gonna be Coca-Cola. That's not okay. Art textures. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Okay. Yep. See that works because that way it can still be black out there, and I can even have like a door at the end of that that like blocks it out fully. Awesome. Okay, this works really well. And we'll do another black box. This one's going to be quite a bit smaller. It's only going to be like 70, I think, in that. And then we're going to do this. Make shouldn't be able to see anything there. Go down here. I'm gonna rotate this. And just throw it down here. Alright, play this now. It should still look fine. I think. It should look fine. Oh yeah, you can't even tell. You can't even tell you're in a Toyota Corolla. You can't even tell. It's amazing. You don't know you're in a flippin' Corolla. That's exactly what we want, you know? You don't want to know you're in a Corolla. Until you leave and you're actually you're in the Corolla, you know? That breaks the immersion, you know? But amazing. You're not in the Corolla, but you're in the Corolla. You're in the Corolla, but you're not in the Corolla. Okay. Yeah, that works. I think I might set up the train soon. Where you can actually like use the train and stuff, but yeah. The true end you find out you've been in a Toyota this whole time and break down to tears. You're like an ant stuck in a Toyota Corolla. Okay. Everything. The entire universe is inside of a Toyota Corolla. Everything is a Toyota Corolla. Okay. So I think now I'm gonna get the train working. So I gotta do a bunch of stuff with the train. I gotta make sure you can sit in the train, and I gotta make the train go. So those are two kind of biggish things I gotta do now. So ending to Men in Black, but it keeps zooming out in Marble Sword. Oh my god, yeah. Okay, okay. I'm gonna do, I think, a seat node. Let's do a node 3D. It's gonna be the front seat. Seat 1. And then this will be a collision shape 3D. This will be a, yep. The Truman Show. I mean, to be fair, that could be a fan theory because you never actually see what happens when he leaves. So I mean, it could be. He could be. You don't know. You don't know. You don't know. Okay, I'm gonna put this on layer 3, I think. Oh wait, I have to make this a. I have to change type to a mesh. Right. Since the player is losing movement control in the terrain, is there a way to do this parenting? That's what we're doing. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm working on right now. But I'm working on I'm working on if you want to pick a seat, you click on that seat and you go to that seat. That's what we're doing right now. Yeah. Because I want the player to be able to select what seat they sit in. So I'm trying to figure out like a system for that. I might make this a area collision. So let's just change type. Change type area 3D. Cool. Great. And then I'm gonna get rid of the tick. We're not gonna do the tick right anymore. We're gonna get rid of that for temporarily. Let's do a new variable called seats. Gets an array. Let's do open. So we got 4 seats right now. I'll do like 8. Cool. Okay. Take seat. We'll pass in preferred seat, and then we will check um, variables at export seat none. How am I handling? I forgot how I'm handling the global, all that stuff. How am I handling that? Hello, wisdoms. G was on top, big guy on top. Okay, let's do global. Where am I adding? I know I'm doing like a for loop somewhere where I just add every. Right here, okay. Okay. Um, seat num. Add a group seat. Okay. We'll set this to, I think it's just 0. So variable seat num. Then ready for n in seat. Actually, I think a better way to do this. We don't even have to do this because we can just check if someone's colliding with it. Actually, we should do it. We should do seats, variable seats, but it's going to be a different type of array. And then I will do for n in get children. I will seats dot append n if n dot is in group seat. If it's in the group seat, they're gonna append it to seats. Simple as that. Cool. And then yeah. And then I'll do the same thing for this guy. Okay. And then that works. Yep. Awesome. And then yeah, they're pretty good. They're pretty good. You should use them for stuff like this. Okay. So we have those now, and then we're gonna check. I'm gonna change this to only read from 3 inside of the player now. I'm gonna make sure that his interaction can also interact with 3. I'm also gonna make it so he also interacts with 3 on both layers. Oh, this could be an issue if that is the case. But that works. That's fine for now. Okay. Okay. So here we'll do area entered connect. Oops, wrong one. That was not correct. Disconnect. Area entered, connect that to a seat. Connect to seat, and then we'll just do very occupied. Occ gets false. Occ gets true. I mean, yeah, that works. I think also I should do a variable where we're like trying to sit. So let's do. Oh, hold on. It's lagging. Okay. Variable sitting gets false, and we will also grab. See. If area, I think it's area. Come on. Area dot get parent. Get parent. Where's that? No, I think it's just. Yeah. Okay. Let's first off test print area.name. Let's try that. And if that prints up player, we should be good. Not working. Okay. That's cool. That's cool. So, okay, so it's only one, but it's still not really working. So on area entered, and it's reading from 3. And we also have 3 in our collision. So that should be okay. Oh, I know why. I know why. It's body entered. That's why it's not working. Okay, connect. Then we will print body dot name. Cool. Okay, play. Create that lobby. Yeah, no, yeah, that's correct, right? And we'll just do dot sitting. And that should return false since we set that before. Yep, cool. Okay, so we will do if by sitting. Yeah, so if not, yeah, so if by sitting, we'll set occupied to true. Okay, cool. And then, oh wait, no, that doesn't fully work, I guess, because okay, okay. I have a different idea. Let's do. Where is it? Let's do if body dot current animation equals sitting. All right, I think it's sitting. Yeah, sitting. Okay. Sitting, not decoding current scope. Okay. Fine. Fine. You know what? Screw it. Occupy gets true. Occupy gets true. You know, we'll just do that for now. And then we'll just do that. That's fine, right? That's fine. That works. Okay. And then in carts, we'll add these. Okay. So take seat. We don't need to. We don't need to do this. We'll just need to do. Where are we interacting? True. 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 Yeah. I'm doing something different. I think. We'll see. I don't know. I'll mess around with it. Okay. Interact. Interact. Event action is press. Interact. Okay. And then we'll do. Come on. Come on. Sig for reload. Okay. If it's in seat. Okay. Okay, we'll do. Come on, why is this so laggy? Variable seat gets null. Gets null. Oh yeah, yeah. Working on the Plum games. You should join my server. You'll see more about it. Okay. Seat will get. Oh, let's just no. Come on. Why is it so laggy? Okay, if. Okay, okay. It's crazy. Okay. If dot occ, and if it's not occ, we'll set our seats to this collider. And here we'll do if seat not equal to null, global position will constantly get seat dot global position. Cool. Technically that should work. We'll see. Nope, okay, it's fine. Okay, where's this at? Okay. Let's print. Let's at least try this. It could be that it's like lowercase or something. Okay. What is C called again? What's the group? It's C. Okay. Interesting. Does interact with 3 as well. Okay, cool. Collide with areas as well. Okay. Awesome. Okay. And I'm now sitting in it and I cannot move. Exactly what we want, right? Exactly what we want. Okay. Yeah, that works. Cool. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna create a new variable. I'm gonna call it sitting. So variable sitting will get false. We'll get false, and then we'll do sitting gets true. Sitting will get true. We'll do else sitting gets false. However, I'm gonna also create a new RPC to tell everyone else that we're sitting. So we're gonna do that here. We're gonna do message taking seat 2-0. Right, no, that's not 2-0. It's gonna be. We're making the pair. Nah, the problem is I have a bunch of other references and stuff that would screw up. This is a multiplayer game. It's way too complicated to do that, honestly. Just due to like references and all that. Variable seat sitting, and we'll pass in sitting. Oh yeah, no problem. But yeah, it's gonna cause so many errors if I just do that. Setting the position to it is fine, honestly. It takes care of it. Okay, how do I send out this? How am I sending this out? Okay, cool. Where's it? Where'd it go? So input, right here. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna set this. I'm just gonna send it true. I'm just gonna do that. Send out true. Send it out reliably. Okay. And if I take that, I'm gonna do network. Okay. Let's do. What if you had textures that applied to the carts, like in Roblox Triblik? Maybe. Potentially. Okay. Take seat, right? Oh, I guess I also have to do the player ID. Okay, where's this at? Player ID. Okay. Um, let's also send the player ID. Okay. Test world. Network. Take a seat. We'll do get node. Um. I think we're gonna do exactly this. We're gonna do this. We're going to dot sitting gets readable sitting, and that's it. And now we will also check. So we'll first check if body dot sitting. Then if it's actually no, I think we should do. Okay. Uh, Variable. Which is very cool. Get null. Cool. We'll get body dot sitting. Hmm. Okay. Mm, let's do a different function called physics process. Let's just do if body if is colliding. I think if is colliding. How do you do if is colliding? I think it just is colliding, right? It should just be is colliding. Open. False. Else. And okay, and then we're just gonna do if get collider. If get collider. Which I think that's yeah, get collider. If get collider dot sitting. Okay. Okay. Why? If area node is colliding. Good job. Hmm. Okay. How do I do this? or n in get overlapping bodies if n dot sitting. Return. We'll probably just do that. Okay. Then back to the player now. Okay. Um, hmm. Actually, I think I might just handle this player side, so we'll do. I forgot. I was gonna ask if you can make a tutorial for. Yeah. Probably in like next like week or two, I might do that because I have to add that to this game, so I might as well make a tutorial on it. But I will for sure look into that, at least. Oh, I have to message my brother happy birthday. Hold on. I think it's Corsair HD60s, HS60s, something along those lines. It's all right. I've had a couple pairs throughout the years. Yeah, happy birthday to Justin. Yeah, turns. Yeah, this one. Okay. Good collider. It's funny. I actually forgot how old he turns. I don't know. No, I'm not. I don't know about that, but okay. What's up, MK? I'm trying to set up a sitting and shit, like trying to sit down. Basically. For. Oh wait, no, I just realized this is different. This is different. Okay. Yeah. I'll send a picture of the chat as well. It's a for loop. You should look into it. I don't have time to explain it. It's pretty simple. Okay. Um, function. Okay, let's just do if. Yeah, let's try doing if body dot sitting. Body to exit. Oh shoot, that's the wrong one. Connect. Okay. God, I keep doing. Okay. Connect. Variable ox will get 0. If ox will plus get 1, ox will minus get 1. If ox is less than or equal to 0, we will set it to ox will get 0. Okay. Yeah, pretty simple. Okay. Uh, let's just do if that body is sitting. Actually, no. Cheez-Its. Cheez-Its. Um, Ah, actually, you know what? I think what I'm gonna do is I'm probably just gonna go ahead and do um we'll get rid of this. Disconnect. Disconnect. What we do? Occupant. Occ ID. We'll set that to 0 for now. And then we will here we will set our and we'll do cart number. So cart number we'll set to 0. So that will be fine. Multiple people can be in the same seat. I'm trying to fix that right now. That's the thing. Trying to fix that. Trying to make that not a thing. Not possible. Uh, unless people want to. I don't know. Do you want to be able to sit on each other's laps? I don't know. It's up to you. um, honestly, you know what? That would be so much easier for me to code. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Fuck it. Yeah. You can sit on each other's laps. I don't care, man. I'm so tired. I might change it eventually, but right now you could just yeah. Yeah. I know. Right? Yeah. Because that way I don't even have to like send out any RPCs or anything. I just can just do that. And that's good. That's it. It's so much easier. I should work at Mojang. I know. I know. I really should. I'm gonna get rid of all of this code right now. Just all of this code. At least for right now. We don't need it right now. We don't need it right now. Okay. Disconnect all these. Yeah, we don't need these right now. We just yeah. All right. Okay. I think what we're gonna do is if you jump, if you try jumping. So if you where is it? Where is it? Jump. Jump. Where's the jump key? Jump. 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 There. Okay. If seat is not equal to null, yeah, if seat is not equal to null, seat will get null. Let's just try that, and then you should be able to sit and not sit. Awesome, cool. Tell me how it is. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay, that works really well. Yeah. So you see here? You jump out? Yep. Awesome. Perfect. Okay. And then now, I simply need to add one more thing, which is just... You did not win two Gwizz game jams. You won one and you podiumed in the other. I'm gonna instantly debunk that. You did not win both of you did not win both. Okay, where is this? His owner. I think he won the first one. Okay. Current animation will get sitting. Um and not sitting. And not sitting. Yeah, there we go. Amazing. This is exactly where the player's supposed to be. Oh my god. I didn't know games have non-depressible. Some do. Some do. No. Okay. Yeah, that works. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and add now I'm gonna add like a seat to them. Like an actual like seat, like a chair thing. I don't know. Let's just do a mesh instance. Mesh. Okay. I did. They're all mine. Right now, I'm adding this in Godot, which I didn't do anything else in Godot, but I'm adding this as like a cheat right now just to get past this part. It's a pretty darn good engine. I'm gonna make the player sit a little bit lower. I think that's what we're gonna do. Go up and like down like there. I think. Hmm. Actually, I think I might just go ahead and make you sit on like the back of it for now at least. I'll probably do that. Let's do that. Okay, okay, okay. Let's do a couple things. So we gotta do ascends. Yeah, okay. Let's do a couple things. We'll do um was it collision shape? Um we'll do and not sitting. And not sitting. Um cool animations don't have collisions. What are you talking about? They don't have collisions. I have a collision on the player, but they don't have collisions. Like the animations don't have collisions. What's up, Luke? Welcome in. Your night's going well, and all that. Oh yeah, obviously. I mean, that would be pretty bad if they didn't. So you're like running, you know, the collision. Okay, collisions. Dot. Let's see if it's true. Let's try that. Okay. Now let's also move him a bit lower to like right around there. Collision shape up. I'm gonna make this a lot bigger as well. No, that's good. Okay. Okay, that's perfect. There we go. That works pretty well. I think for now at least. I know, right? The like singular hang in there poster and all that in the plant. Oh yeah. Okay. Um, oh shoot, I can't jump. Let's fix that. Do you work as a web dev? No. There's like no money in that. I would never work as a web dev. I am making someone's website, but I'm not a web dev. No, I know. I know you were talking about the one in the game. I know that. Oh, this works really well. Yeah, we're just hanging in there. I gotta get a poster of that like in my actual room. All right, finally, I just gotta. Also gonna make this quite a bit bigger. Just that way, if we can collide with it, much easier. And then duplicate. Soon you're going to compete with Valve and come out with 4/8 light. 4/8 light. Exactly. Sadly, 4/8 is just half. Oh, at the end of the day, it's just half. Okay. Oh yeah, MK, you missed it. But we made the. Take a guess at what the skybox is. Take a guess what the skybox in this game is. At least for right now, it's temporary. It's not going to be permanent, probably. Yeah, take a guess, MK. I gotta pull this on my computer. No, it's not. It's not actually. Hold on. Where's the money at then? What? What even is that question? I don't know what you mean by that. So, anyways, it's a interior of a Toyota Corolla. It's where everything is. Could never tell from inside, but you are inside of a Toyota Corolla. All right, let's go ahead and get pull. Yeah, there's not. No, of course there's not. There's money in like the more back end you go, the more the money is. The money's in like software development. The money's in like software development right now. and it will continue to always be. That's always where the most money is going to be. Because especially with web development, you know, there's so many like no code solutions and all that. You're not going to find much success there. I would not become a web dev. Okay, let's create lobby. If I open the lobby list on my computer, hold on. Okay. All right, this works really well. Awesome. The money I've seen in web dev is stuff. Exactly. Yeah. If you're doing AWS stuff, there might be, but yeah, don't. Yeah. The Gwizz alt account. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what happens if I go into the same seat. So if I just do that, and if I do this, and I go, it shouldn't do anything. Yeah. Okay. It's just. Yeah. Okay. It's not a bug. It's a feature. I swear. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Script would not be called seat 1. Okay, it is. That's stupid. Okay. Well, this seat will be 1. This seat will be 2. This game. Okay, so I think right now the plan is for the multi-sitting thing. I'm just gonna have it so function. So variable occ will go false. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, let's just, okay. Then we will go ahead and here in player when we're trying to sit. We're trying to sit. We will interact. Where are we interacting at? Okay, here. So we'll do if seat if interact collider dot occ. If it's not, then we will simply do this. And then we'll send a packet. That packet will contain message take seat. We'll also do the player ID. So player ID, I'll pass in the name. And then along with that, we will also pass in the seat. And that seat will be this dot seat num. And then that will be our seat. And then we will also activate this. So we will set this to true. And then we're also setting seat to this as well. So that should be good. So when we are getting out of the seat, we will simply set seat dot gets false. And then, yeah, that works. Cool. Okay. Yeah. Then when we did that, we're gonna do this. We'll do. I'm pass in mistake seat. We'll do this, and we won't do this. We're gonna get the seat. So we'll let's do 1 on this actually. Let's do 2, and we'll do 3. So we will get node. We'll get node. It's in the same row as entities, so with us it's pretty easy. So we'll do carts slash seat, and then we'll do find with another str. We'll just do str. Okay, fine with the readable seat. I think it is. I think it's just seat. So let's do here. Let's look at this. Yeah, seat. Okay, seat. It works good. And then we're gonna do seat, and there. Okay. Readable. Take. And then we'll also do take. We'll set that to true. Send packet 2, and then we will do the same thing down here when we are leaving the seat. When you're leaving the seat right here, we will set this to this. We will do seat dot seat num. Send that up packet. Okay, yep. And we'll set this to false. Seat gets null to wrap it all up. Cool. Okay, awesome. And then yeah, that should work theoretically. Let's push this. Okay. All right, let's try this out. So if I do play. This could cause an error, I don't know. Okay, I mean, this instantly crashes. But this is this if oh. Yeah, it's if C is equal to null. Oh wait. Oh, I'm just realizing that. Okay. Okay. That's okay. So I need to do this then. I need to do this set of code when we're getting out. So when we're jumping, we do that. And we're good. We'll check. We'll also first check if seat equals. It's not equal to null. Actually, no. Why would I check that twice when I could just do that? Yeah. See. Okay. Okay, seats dot awk will get false. Okay, and then let's try that here. I'm gonna do the exact same thing over my side. Let's do main player. And once I get this working, I think the stream is gonna come to an end for tonight. But we'll see. So okay, if I do, where's it? try this. We'll be jumping. We're jumping right here. Okay. I'll try that. Create a lobby. Okay. Take that seat. Open lobby list. Open. Okay. The only problem right now is now that I've taken the seat and I'm joining after the fact, there's going to be an issue there where it's not going to work. So, for instance, if I take it now, it's not going to work. But if I get out, no, it theoretically shouldn't work. Okay, so it works. Cool. Yep, it works. Okay. It works pretty well. So I get out now. It's still will not work. Okay, cool. So it works for the most part. The only thing I need to do is I need to update when that player joins. So basically, give them that info. I don't know where I'm doing that at. I don't know where I'm doing like the initial stuff. There is a place where I am doing initial stuff. I think it's just whenever we okay. Let's do so whenever we handshake, I think it is. Handshake and network. Handshake. Okay. Where do I send okay, global dorm rocks. Okay, yeah. So that's what I'm doing. Okay. Packet set dorm. Okay, that says the dorm there. Okay. Okay. Yes, this is where I'm doing all the initial stuff. Okay, let's also do a packet for packet seats. So we'll do message. We'll do take seat. Take seat, and then I think what we're gonna do is I'm gonna quickly loop through every seat. So we're gonna do for n in get node carts. So I'll just do dot slash carts, then dot get children if n dot is in group seat, just called seat. Yep, okay. And then it's called seat. So we're going to do if it is, then we're going to create a new packet. That packet is going to be very reminiscent of the player's packet that we send out. It's going to just be this basically modified a little bit. So we'll do that. And then okay. I guess take we'll get if n dot occ, I guess. And we'll do n dot seat num as well. Wait, no. This will get n occ and then player seat. Okay. And then that should technically work straight away, because like with no extra modifications, because that, yeah. Okay, so we'll just look through those. We'll do, and then we'll set take. Yep, set take to the n's occupant. So n has an occupant variable and a seat num variable, so that works perfectly fine. And then we'll set that to that, and that's that. Okay. Yeah, and then that's gonna be a send packet to the readable. And then that's gonna be that packet. And then, yeah. No, probably learn backend first. I mean, the problem is like, I don't know. I always like to say do the harder stuff first. Always do the harder stuff first because then the easier stuff is easy. You know, so it's even easier. So I'd say learn backend first because again, if especially if you're in it for like money, backend is where it's at. I started with backend, and I did just fine. So and backend may be boring to you. Yeah. So here's my honest advice. If backend is boring to you, if like backend programming is boring to you, don't pursue programming. If you want to make money and backend programming is boring to you, don't pursue programming. It's as simple as that. Um, okay, let's do seats 2. Commit main. Push. Get fetch. Get pull. Cool. Okay. So I found a lot of people that are trying to get into programming purely for, um, well, for one, like front end stuff and like game development is all fun and stuff. But once you get really into it, it's not it's not always fun in games, and you have to be able to be really passionate about it. And if you're not passionate about it, just get out of it as fast as you can. But if you don't care about money, I mean, front end's fine. Game development doesn't pay that well either. I just do game dev as a hobby. I'd say do that. Okay. So that works. I'm gonna quit the game. I'm gonna restart, rejoin. I should not be able to sit in that chair. I should not be able to sit in that seat. There should be no way I should be able to sit in the seat. Yes, I can't sit in the seat. I can't sit in the seat. Let's go. Let's go. Huge, huge, huge W's. Huge W's all around. Huge W's in the chat. Okay, let's go. So basically, what happens now is if I load the game, if I create a new lobby, right, and I go here and I go sit in the front seat. This front seat is mine. I have taken this front seat. If I create a new player and that player joins the game, so if I open the lobby list, yeah, I mean, I was more talking about like AAA, but I mean, yeah, I guess you get lucky with that. Okay, but if I theoretically, so if I just do that, it should not work yet. It doesn't work. Cool. Okay, I awesome, amazing, amazing. That works so well. Yeah, I meant like into like AAA companies. Like you're gonna max out like you're gonna be there for a couple of years. You might eventually make six figures, but if you do software engineering, you're gonna be like six figures is gonna be like your like base salary. It's gonna be so you're gonna be past six figures and like you're gonna be in like you're gonna be making like 200 plus if you really get into like a good tech company. And that's the thing. Like I know a guy who's been working at Blizzard for 10 years and he's only making like 150,000, which like is good, but it's not. But honestly, you could be doing better with programming and development, all that. Like I think if you really want to be a successful developer, just get a job at like a company like Microsoft. It doesn't have to be like a FANG company, but okay. So that works. I think I'm gonna. Yeah, so this works really well. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and change. I'm gonna make. I'm gonna make a new animation on this called Go. So it will be called animation player animation start game, I guess. And we'll just get the position of the position. Let's do that. Honestly, let's just do it like over here. Let's do it like right there. Start that. Then once we're going, we're gonna send it over to here. So we'll do like doesn't want to be super. It doesn't want to be. I don't want it to be like too fast, but yeah, just make Lethal Company. Obviously, you know, easy, super easy. Where is in black box? Where is the cap? Okay, it's right there. Okay, cool. Okay, that works. Okay, and then everything beyond. So I think all the walls. So let's do this wall, this wall, this wall, this wall. So like over here, like this. Oh, what is this? Oh, that's the floor. Okay. So yeah, we'll do. Maybe we'll just do like size. All right, that works for now, I guess. Let's string and drop an obstacle course. Where is that scene? Obstacle course. Okay. Uh, Edible children. Um, visible. Not. Okay. Cool. Okay. I think what I want to do is with the black box, I'm gonna for one get rid of all this. So we'll do everything but 6, so like that, and then we'll do everything will go back in there. Like that. Okay. That works. What are you working on? Plum games. It's my game that I'm working on. Trying to get it ready by April or so. Let's add a track. Let's do obstacle course. Directional light. Visible. Visible. Not visible. All the way up to here. To where it will be visible. Right here. Okay, cool. All right. I think right now we'll just do carts. Drag drop animation player. Oops. Drag drop animation player. Right here, and then we will do anim. Like that. And I will do animation. Let's do start game, and then animation.play. Start game. Cool. And then that should work fine, I guess. And then for the player, and we do start game. Add in a G for start game. And then in our input event, right. Where's our input? Right here. Okay. There's going to be if event dot is action pressed. Start game. Then we will we'll first check if global dot is owner, I think. Owner. Lobby owner. There we go. Okay. And we'll just do, I guess, global dot start game. No, we'll just do if seats is not equal to null, because this isn't actually going to be how it works. So we'll just do this temporarily. So if seats is not equal to null, seats dot get parent seat I think it is right seat dot get parent dot what is it, start game. Okay. And then after that we will do carts and then start game. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, I'm trying to figure out how to go about getting this on the client side. Okay. Give me your best piece of advice right now. Yeah. college is only a scam if you go for a degree that like is a useless degree. If you go for a useless degree in college, you're basically scamming yourself. That's kind of on you. If you go for like a history degree, that's on you. You know, don't act like college is a scam because you went for that. Treat college like it's an investment. Um, so go for an engineering degree. Go for a like software engineering or any other type of engineering if you want to get into that. Um, Go for a medical degree or like a law degree. Those are the only three categories of degrees you should get in college if you want to go to college to get a job. Because those will help you get jobs. We're at a point now where it's no longer super viable to get a job in tech without a degree, right? It's really hard to do that now. As of like 2023, it kind of slowed down, and now we're at a point where you can't really do it anymore. You have to know too many people. You have to have way too many connections, which most people honestly don't have. Uh, Getting a 4-year degree is more efficient, is more time efficient than than spending time making connections and making projects and all that to try to get a tech job. Getting a degree is more time efficient, in my opinion. You will have to deal with dumb, stupid gen eds. You'll have to deal with complete BS. It will cost a little bit of money, but at the end of the day, it's still worth it. Um, so that's my best piece of advice. I don't. I mean, it depends on what country you're from. If you're from the U.S., that's the best piece of advice I have, because a lot of people treat college like it's a scam, and simply not the case. So yeah. Cool. Love you. So we'll do. Yeah. I mean, the problem is what the big thing is. Oh yeah, I'm working on my game, the Plum Games. It's kind of like Crab Game slash like Squid Game slash like a little bit of Fall Guys. But yeah, so the thing is, people like want to fight the system, but the problem is the system is too powerful. You know, you can be like, college is stupid. It wastes my time. I have to take gen eds. I have to take a class on. I currently am taking a class on Greek history, but it's still worth it because you're still getting a engineering degree. The thing is, you can look at that as a scam all you want, and honestly, some of it is complete bullshit. It's bullshit. The problem is, it's the best option. It's your best option. You alone are not going to change anything. You're not going to change the game. You have to play the game. If you want to succeed, doesn't matter how bullshit the game is, you have to play it. Um, and you gotta play it better than other people. Just because the game has broken rules and all that, you still have to play it. You don't really have a choice if you want to be successful. Like, if you want to become an engineer, you have to go to school. It's as simple as that. You can't go to a boot camp. Boot camps don't work anymore. I don't know if they ever did, honestly, but they don't anymore for sure. You can't go to community. You have to go to university. You have to get a four year degree. It's the best, most efficient way. It's just playing the game. So, okay, main global sync. Okay. Here's my point on that. Is you can look at the lucky people. You know, you can look at the people who were born into money. You can look at the people who have trust funds. You can look at those people. It doesn't matter though, because that's not you. So that's the great thing is that's not you. I assume that's not you, so you have to play the game. That's the thing. Is I and many other people are not that person. So if you're not that person, you have to play the game in order to be successful. You cannot sit there and be like, ah, this person just got everything handed to them. Cool. Good for them. You're not. So you have to work for it. Pretty simple. So one second. System is alive and real, unfortunately. Yeah. But no, yeah, you gotta. If someone's getting, I mean, you're always gonna have people that live life on easy mode. But just because you aren't doesn't mean that you can't be successful and you can't have money. You just have to work for it. So I mean, I'll figure out how to sync this all up. Okay, let's do set data to object data. I think right. No, this is from this. Okay. Uh, Also, your tutorials help me with my game a lot. Yeah, appreciate it. Glad they helped. But yeah, as someone who's like, I mean, I've tried the whole route of like, why, why, like, what even like could possibly be a reason for that? Okay, so let's just do if global owner. I think we're gonna do object data special. Get special gets animation start game. Okay, and then if we set data and then if object data special uh no, let's do this. Let's do all of this. Yeah. Yeah, that works. Okay. Um yeah, that works. Okay. Let's just try that, I guess. That could work, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Not how advanced rather than just like kind of like slap together, but. Okay, cool, we're going. We're at the floor, but that's fine. All right, we're out here. Cool. Okay, let's switch this. Cargo. Pull that onto my laptop now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get fetch. Get pull. Go again. lobby. Open lobby list. Create lobby. Okay. I'm gonna show join. Let's hope this works first try. Probably won't. We'll see though. Okay. All right, yeah, that kind of works. Let's see what we can do to improve that. So, we have this tick here. We don't have to do this tick. We just have to do an animation. Yeah, we just sync it once. So it should only do it once. So we start game. It should only global sync once. Yeah, I think what the issue is. Yeah. What if we sync it up by getting like the actual like timestamp? How do you get the millisecond timestamp or like a timestamp in general in Godot? So if we do Godot timestamp, I feel like that would work if we just offset it by that. Content Godot. Let's go ahead and do print time. Get time. Is it time? Let's try this. Okay. Great lobby. Okay, no, it's too loose. Oh, is it time dot get Unix time value? I don't know, 0. Okay, yeah, that's not what I wanted. How do you get like more like you get like milliseconds and stuff? System time. Let's try this. Let's do time. Get this. That doesn't work. Okay. Is it also time? Time dot. Let's try that. Okay. Okay, so that is kind of correct. Okay. Is there a way to get that on like a specific time zone or no? Because my concern is if that's like off. Okay. I think like 2 years now. Maybe, yeah, no, 3 years, 3 years, 3 years. Yeah, 3 years now. I've been using it. Let's go ahead and try this. So let's first off print out this. So I want to see what this gives me. Print. Okay, yeah, so that's just getting that. Okay, that works. Fine, okay. Good. It's just not precise enough, you know? It's not like precise enough to like get the time that it's left. Was it OS second? Okay, it's OS, I think it is. Maybe, I don't know. Hmm. I feel like it has to be timed at millisecond. Hmm. Don't know. Okay. Yeah, there should be a way to just like get the milliseconds, but there's no like nothing popping up for that. Um. Oh, looks like it's os.get system time. Milliseconds. That is not a thing. Okay. It's only get ticks milliseconds. Okay. Get ticks. Sec. Is it dot get ticks? Okay. Yeah, that doesn't work. Okay. Get time it took to send RPC Steam peer-to-peer. Hmm. This could pose an issue. Okay, is it okay? So let's just try OS dot get system. That's not a thing. Okay, time dot get system time. Why did they change this so much? Okay, dot get system. Get msec Godot 4. How do you do this? How do you do this? Why is there no option for this? I don't want to get the. I don't want to get the local. Oh, what's up? I am from the U.S. It's not including milliseconds, but it says it was fixed. Okay, that's exactly what we want. That's exactly what. Yep, that's it. That's exactly what we want. We want that. Okay, cool. Okay, that's what we want. That's what we like to hear. Okay. Uh, Probably maybe someday. We will see if I have time for that. Okay, let's just try printing as well. Print time dot get Unix time from system. Get universal time. Good deal. Let's do get Unix time. Hmm. I mean, I assume you could just do the ending of it and it's all good. Yeah, like it's not gonna take longer than a second, so like it should be fine. Honestly, like it should not take longer than a second. Okay. Let's do cut off um part of string. Good deal. Only print last 5 of string. Deal. Okay, let's try doing a little bit more here. Let's try doing, if we do time get, okay, so let's just do variable time t, we'll get str of this, and then we'll do for n in range 5, right? Also round this to, do we do negative, let's do -5. And this should this should just print this. So -5. If I print that out, should work. I don't know, we'll see. No, okay. Let's try this. Okay, okay, expected. Okay. Is it this dot round? Is that what it is? round and Godot. Round and Godot. Let's see what this is. Okay, it should be. It should just be. So if we do round this, so if we do round 2, 5, try that. Should work. Why doesn't it though? Too many arguments around. What like? What? That's not what we want. We don't want to round it to that. That's oh, it's stepify. Right. It's stepify. Stepify this to 0.0001. Stepify to that. Snapped. Right, we change it to snapped. Then we change it to stepify. Then we change it to snapped. And okay. Okay, so it's purely on that. Let's do another couple of zeros. Okay. We're not gonna do that. We're just gonna do NSTR of time. Then we're gonna do it like this, and then we'll do it. Trying to just get the last like number of this, and it's not letting me. So okay. Get universal time. So yeah, I don't know. Okay. I think for now, honestly, I might just go and I might just get rid of this one. We might just go ahead and do test world. Carts. We're probably just gonna end up doing. We're gonna go and comment this out. Comment this out. Comment this out. Then we're just gonna do that. Comment that out again. And then we'll just do. Okay. Actually, no, we're probably gonna do is that. Tick right. We'll do it at 0.05. And then we'll do tick. Is it tick dot start. Then we'll connect that timeout. Okay. Then we'll do variable new pause. We'll set that to a vector 3 of 0, 0, and 0. And then we're just going to send that out. That right, so we'll just do receive, we'll do new pause, we'll get that, and then a function physics process if not global dot lobby owner global position will get lerp from global position to new position delta times 15. Okay. We pause, we'll get goal position. All right, that works. Okay. Yeah, appreciate it. Glad they are helpful to you. Okay. Let's go ahead and try this now. I think this should work. It's not gonna work super well, but it'll get the job done. Probably. Okay. This now. Open lobby list. Oh shoot, let's also make sure that this is okay, actually that's fine. Okay. Into the back. And then if we press G, should be okay. It's not super great. Okay, yeah, so that's not working super well. Okay. Alright. I might leave this till tomorrow. But okay, so I'm gonna get rid of this as well. Get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that. Okay. I'm gonna do this though, we're gonna do this, and I'm gonna make sure that if I'm gonna make sure that when we are calling this global sync, so this main global sync right here, let's change that to a reliable global sync. And then that should honestly probably fix part of our issues. Part of them, not all of them. So, but it should be fine. We're not gonna set any position data. Okay. Let's just try that. Okay. Let's try this. Play. Lobby list. Play. Create lobby. Okay, that gives me an error instantly. Awesome. In base dictionary. Why? Why does that give an error? Okay, well, in that case, let's stop that. Let's make sure that special will get um okay. And I'm just gonna have that on this as well. So special will get animation. Cool. All right, let's try that. That should work just fine. I think honestly our problem is it just goes too fast. Like honestly, if we just make it go way slower, we'll probably just be fine. Like if we make this speed, if we change the speed scale to 0.1, and we, go to, where is it? Parts. We said this also the speed one. I think technically, I think we're just going too fast, which. Oh, I'm realizing something. Why do we move the cart? Why do we even move the cart? Why don't we just move everything else? Let's try this theory first, but I think we should just move the entire level because it'll be smoother. That's a pretty big brain idea, honestly. It's what they did in Portal, with the elevators, to my knowledge. Okay. Yeah, honestly, if I start this now, yeah, it's okay. It works fine. It's still a little slow. Yeah, yeah. You know what? You know what? You know what? You know what? We're just gonna move the entire level. Because why not? Why not just move everything to the player? We solve issues that way. We solve all of our problems that way. You know? So, I think honestly we should just do that. I think we should just do it the way that the Portal developers did it. Move everything. Yeah, okay. So let's do in carts, our animation player. We're gonna get rid of all of these. Actually, no, I'm gonna keep these. So we're just gonna get rid of this one. Um, but what we can do is we could just add the track itself. Okay, we'll add track. Platform's position, track position. Um, Objects or objects. Okay. Uh, mm, yeah, we should move this as well. Objects position. Let's also do, I think, entities. No, don't want to move entities. We want to move dorm rooms though. Change type to node 3D, so we can actually access its position. So dorm rooms position extends node 3D. And then yeah, that works pretty well. And then move nothing else. I think that works for now. We can also move the black box. Let's do property track, black box. Where's it? Cool. All right, I'm going to insert keys into all of these. So that way we can move them. And by the end, we should grab everything here. So let's do this, and this. Drag these all down to like. Oh, we should not move the track. Actually, track should stay. Actually, no, I was wrong. We should move the track. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's do that. Let's do platforms, track, objects, dorm rooms. Okay. then if we start and we just move everything to here. Where are the carts? The carts are over there. Uh-oh. What's happening? Oh, right, we're at the end. Okay. Let's move the carts back to here. Okay. So we want platforms, black box, track, objects, dorm rooms. Move those all to about there, I think. Right. Where's the cart? Cart's there. Okay. Let's do a little bit more then. So black box. That. Okay. Oh, it's like right there. Yeah, okay. Insert key, insert key, insert key, insert key, insert key. This is some big brain stuff right here. Some big brain stuff. So if we go to the cart, it does not move actually. Where's the cart? If I move through the cart, we go here. Perfect, honestly. Honestly, that's exactly how we need it to be. I think that is perfect. Move that to there, and I think we have our system. Okay, let's go push this. And do some big brain shit. Post that. That's over to my computer. Let's pull that. Okay. Pull this up. And then play. Lobby. I'm gonna go here. I'm going to. Oh, shoot. Animation has not been reset. Okay. That's something. Reset them this then. Oh, no, it already was. Okay. Okay. If I create lobby now. If I create the lobby. If I do this, and if I jump out, go over to the cart, grab that. Then if I join and I hop into the cart, I should theoretically be able to ride it because of awesome amazingness. So I do that. And it should not be, there should not be any lag really. Oh, wow. So it is completely smooth on my side. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but it's super smooth on both computers. It's super smooth on both computers. There's no lag or anything. We're running right behind. Because big brain, you know? So yeah. And then if this continues, it'll just keep continuing. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're moving. We're definitely moving. Oh. Is it coming up too? Amazing. 10 out of 10 top tier game. Awesome. And I think I'm just gonna have this all hide itself too. Probably. Oh, uh-oh. Yeah. I can't get back on. No. Okay, whatever, let's leave. Yeah, cool. Yeah, I think that should be fine. Yeah. And I think one final thing for the night is I'm going to create a thing where you can't join. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'll do that tomorrow. Okay. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this stream. have a good night.